The universe works in miraculous ways that we can't even presumably imagine. Here's the story. In April, 2 months ago, I was traveling in Italy and Spain. The weather was warm and wonderfully sunny. People were super friendly. It was this magical, dreamy, nostalgic movie scene, in Italy. Then I got back to Berlin, where I live. The day I landed, it was raining. With the climate change, all my mood, all my frequency, everything, all that fun and joy and gratefulness, everything I had disappeared. Literally. Just in seconds, I lost everything. It was raining, it was cloudy, there was no sun, nothing. And people were like, they don't smile much. I don't want to offend any Berliners, but yeah. So, without the sun, your body doesn't function well. Especially my body, it doesn't function at all. Like, I need sun. So back to Berlin, everything sucks. I hate my life, blah, blah, blah. So I'm like, wait a minute. Why do I need to be like, this is terrible, I hate it, I need sun, blah, blah, blah. Like, why do I make it even more horrible than it already is? Why do I make it hard for myself? Why do I torture myself? It's a mental torture that I'm doing. Complaining is mentally torturing yourself, isn't it? But not only that, but it also doesn't align with your best self, with your full potential, with your dream life, with your wish fulfilled. It doesn't align with the best of you. So I'm like, okay, I see you. I clearly see the rain pouring every day, but yeah, I see you and I accept it. Okay, I'm not going to complain. No, I will deny that reality. I will ignore that reality. This is not my truth. This is not my life. This is not my reality. This is not where I live right now. This is not where I am. In my mind, I choose to live in a different reality, to feel grateful again. I choose to love my life again. I choose to be happy and smile at everyone in the street, even though they don't smile back at me. Why did I do this? Because I wanted to align myself emotionally, thoughtfully, mentally, physically, in every way. I wanted to align myself with my dream reality. And in that dream reality, I would smile at everyone in the streets because I would be super happy just spreading love around the world and being so compassionate, joyful, grateful every second. This is how I would feel. I wouldn't complain, but instead I would feel safe, free, fulfilled, happy, joyful, loveful, grateful. So I decided to align myself every day. Whenever I saw the rain pouring, I would say, okay, I'm under the sun, lying at the beach and sunbathing, and it's just, I feel the sun on my skin. It's so wonderful. And I would go about my day, do what I need to do, but emotionally and mentally, I would stay in that frequency. Every reaction, every action that I perform would come from that place, from that frequency. Throughout the month of May, I practiced this. But at that time, I didn't have any vacation plans. It wasn't even on the table. It was impossible because I already had that trip in Southern Europe. If I could ever have another vacation, not even the vacation that I had in mind, being in a villa, having my own private pool and stuff. I didn't even think about that. It wasn't an option. I was broke. Literally, I was broke. It was impossible to have that dream vacation. When I was aligning myself, I didn't think about the result, whether I'm going to have this vacation or not. I didn't even think about that. I was only aligning myself to be the best version of myself. That was all. So I went home, and just before June, my parents called me, and they told me that they gifted me a vacation in a private villa. And I'm like, what? We have never had a vacation in a private villa. Never. It's not a topic in our family. It's just a dream, but it's not a reality in our family. this must be the universe manifesting my dream reality in a miraculous, magical way that I couldn't even imagine, that I couldn't even possibly know and plan out. And universe works in these miraculous ways, gives you what you are, not what you want, what you are. Sometimes we don't think it's our success. After 27 years, why now? Why this June? Why after that May? Not last year, not the year before, but this year and now. Why? Because once you're aligned, the divine timing finds you. We can't possibly understand, possibly expect, presume. No, it is waiting for us to align so that it will manifest itself. If I would tell you your dream reality will come in this way at that time, when you align like this, would you even believe me? No, you wouldn't. If someone told me this, I wouldn't even imagine. I would just laugh. But there are a lot of epiphanies that I explain all this in parts in different videos. Please check them out. You will have a lot of insights into this process, but for now, I just want to tell you that your dream reality, your dream version, your best version, your full potential is awaiting. You just need to deny everything, ignore the facts. Like now I know the 3D is tickets. Terrible. Sometimes it's like horrible. It's like a horror story. I know. I feel you. I'm gonna beg you here. Please ignore that. Please don't torture yourself. Just break free from the chains of that terrible 3D reality, that old story that you built and created with your past thoughts, feelings, and actions, and just focus on your future. Focus on the miracles that you can create today. The creation happens today. Keep aligning and let the universe do the magic for you, because it will. It will. You can't control everything. You're not that powerful. Yes, we are amazing beings. Like our subconscious mind, our minds, our bodies are amazing. It's a miracle itself. It's insane. But despite all the miracles that we hold in our bodies, in our minds, in our consciousness, we can't even predict the best for us. Let the God, let the universe do it for you. It knows better. So be humble, okay? Be humble. Your only task is to align. You don't know the shortest and fastest path to it. You don't know that. I'm sorry. We don't know that. We only know what we want. That's enough. That's a lot, actually. If you know what you want, if you can empathize with that version of you and embody that version, this is your success. You're done. You're doing great. The creation is completed. It's done. It's done. It's done. Universe, God will take care of it because you are worthy of it. Okay? It's only a matter of time. It's only a matter of alignment. Once you're aligned, it will take care of it. So why bother with all that other stuff? Like, why do you worry about how to get that, how to do that? Calm down. Just profoundly know what you want. Be so sure about it. Know what you want. Embody that version of you. Unleash that full potential that you're holding back. You know, you're holding it inside. Please unleash that. Unleash that every day, every second. When you're working, when you're studying, when you're going to work, when you're driving, when you're reading, when you're lying down, when you're having dinner, unleash that. Act like her, think like her, feel like her. Unleash that. Align physically and mentally. Align. And the universe will do the magic. Expect. Okay? So you can start waiting for it. You can expect it. It will come. It will come in a second. It will come anytime. It will come today, tomorrow, anytime. You just need to focus on alignment. At first, you may only align 10%, then 20%, then 30%. Persist. Once you're aligned 100%, which means it's automatic, it's natural, it's effortless, it's your natural state, it's subconscious. It's an act of programming your subconscious mind. Once this action of conscious alignment, consciously choosing this new version of you, aligned version of you, becomes unconscious, then you will be fully aligned and your dream reality will manifest itself without you being have to do anything else. So thank you so much for your precious time, and I hope your divine timing will find you soon. If you want to work with me, please check out my links below and align. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.